Okay guys, so welcome to the Trap School Mix and Master Trap Beats tutorial. Major key alert! This tutorial is right for you if you're looking to get better mix and mastering for your trap beats. I'm gonna look at before and after in a second to show you and for you to judge if this tutorial is right for you. Okay, so what we'll be looking at is mixing and mastering and testing your mix and adjusting, making a rough mix, all this. It's a great course. So this is a great course if you want to be a engineer or a producer, right? You can get your beats ready to rap on and sell. So I'm gonna do a quick before and after so you guys can hear it. This is before. After. So this is the drop on the mastered version, this on the unmastered, right? So as you can see, the difference is amazing, right? First one, the master one, you can rap on it, sell it, do anything with it. The second one, it sounds really good, right? It's a great beat, but you can't professionally use it, right? So welcome to the Trap School, guys, and I want to see you guys inside.